Alright, y'all. Here I am again at night. You know, it's actually pretty well lit right now. There's a light on over there that's not normally on. But with these other lights, it's actually pretty well lit. But it is night. It is 8 p.m. Almost 8:30. 8:30. We got snow today. A good amount, too. Oh. Oh God. Oh, it doesn't feel too bad. Oh, I spoke too soon. It's 34 degrees. Oh, fun. And it is 11 outside. Feels like 2. Pretty awesome. Oh God, I don't want to do this. My feet are getting cold. Oh God, 34 is cold. I'm gonna do 2 minutes. I'm gonna try something new theory. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know if that was any easier. Oh God. Are we sure? Are we sure it's 34? Oh my God. Oh my God. My theory was that, like, whenever I jump into a cold lake, it's always easier than getting in the tub, because once you jump in, you're just kind of fully committed, and then your full body gets submerged, and then you're just forced to, like, swim around and warm up. But in here, you gotta, like, work your way in, do it kind of slowly, and I feel like that slow process always makes it a little worse. But so it's like, maybe if I get in and dunk my head right away, it'll kind of be like jumping in a lake. But it kind of was, and it kind of sucked. So I don't know if I liked it any better or not, but oh yeah, it's 34 all right. Oh, I can feel it in my hands. Oh, my hands are cold and my toes. At least it's not like crazy windy out. Oh my God, that's cold. That's cold. That's cold. Okay. Yeah, that's 2 minutes. All I'm gonna do. Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Plunge. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to do something hard today. Oh my God. Get me out of here. Oh.